The weather throughout California continued to wreak havoc across the storm-battered state. One to 3 feet of new snow fell over the weekend in parts of California's Sierra Nevada range. Roads buckled and snowbound visitors walked through tall banks of snow. In Mammoth Lakes, snow is a normal occurrence, but this year they have blown past record high for snowfall. Snow is piled up, covering second-story windows and turning homes into igloos. For Tahoe's part, the region has played a major role in boosting California's snow totals over the past few days. 70 inches is definitely high, but it's not uncommon with a good atmospheric river for the mountains to see 3 to 5 feet of snow. This amount of snow makes it tempting for skiers to trek out to Tahoe, but the Sierra Avalanche Center lists considerable avalanche danger in the area. Another significant hazard is travel conditions, which are expected to be difficult throughout the weekend. The next snow-packed storm moves in Friday morning, with more systems forecast back-to-back into early next week.